Hello guys, welcome to my channel Secret Indian Trader, and this is Samesh here. On today's video we are going to see a stock called Hathway Cable and Datacom Limited. Hathway Cable and Datacom Limited is engaged in distribution of internet services through cable and has strategic stack in entities engaged in cable television businesses. So when we see this company, the company was previously called as BITV Cable Networks in an Indian cable television service operator based in Mumbai. This company was the first cable internet service provider in India. Uh, BITV, which is Business India Television Cable Networks Private Limited, was acquired by Hathway in 1999. As of 2007, the company had a 51% stake in Bhupendran Bhaskar Multinet and 50% stake in Gujarat Telelinks Private Limited. Okay, so this is a well-established cable TV networks, and it has a very good investor, which is Reliance Industries, announced that it has acquired 51.34% of its stake for approximately 2,940 crores in the year of 2018. So Reliance Industries had acquired more stacks from Hathway. They have they have invested a huge sum to grow the businesses. Hathway Cable and Datacom Limited is a small cap stock, and it has a moderate risk of approximately 2.7 times volatile as Nifty. The company has a market cap of 4,071 crores, and the current stock price is 23. One of the interesting information is the stock is trading in its book value for like 1.02 times its book value, so it's very close to its book value. And the company has reduced its debt and it's almost debt free, and it has a good profit growth of 23.71% CAGR over last 5 years. But in general, if we see in the market, there are many competitors for this particular sectors who provides internet services through cables, which is at high speed. At the moment, promoters holding is 75% of its equity, and ROCE is 5.3%. Our return on equity is 5.16%, which is comparatively less. So the earnings include an other income. However, if we see the annual report information, the earnings are, the other earnings or other income is gradually decreasing on each quarters. So for example, on March 2020, the other earnings was 263, and as reported on March 2021 fiscal year, it is 196, and as per the current or expected other income would be 165, which is gradually decreasing. So this is one of the positive aspect. And if we see the sales is steady, or else this sales is also on an average of 1,600 approximately. On the previous years, the company has reported its sales. On March 2014, it is 1,500 crores, and March 2016, it is 1,100 crores, and 17, it is 1,400 crores, and at the moment, on March 2021 annual report, they have indicated that the company had 1,732 crores, so which is also gradually increasing, but it is in an oscillation. It does not have a proper proper bull run on the sales. However, there is an oscillation, and of course, when we see a macro picture, the sales is in a growth side. And when we see the net profit after tax, the company had reported losses on the previous years up to March 2019 because of the competitors in this particular sector. However, from March 2020, the company started to report profits. So, for example, in March 2020, the company had reported 110 crores of net profit, and in March 2021, the company has reported two, 279 crores of net profit. On the next fiscal year, the company is expected to give a good returns as well. So it is approximately 257 crores after the tax. Um, so this is particularly attractive. Like the company has more positives than the negatives. One of the negative is the company is not paying out dividend. So this is one of the negative, and the company has delivered poor sales growth of 8.87% over last 5 years. So the sales is, as I said, it is not intensively increasing, but there is an average or consolidation happening over here when we see in a macro picture. Tax rate seems low. So these are some of the disadvantages about the company. So if we wanted to invest in a small cap stock with the moderate risk, you can able to choose this particular stock. As the value is near to its book value, this could be a potential stock to buy and add to your portfolio for a longer term, so that you can expect some good returns. So on the website we have user information, like if you wanted to be a customer, you can able to choose your plans, and you can able to pay. And if you wanted to check a overall information about the company, you have a general information and the customer service where you can inquire any information. Like if you want to, even if you want to invest in this particular stocks, you can able to check with their customer service, and they would be able to direct you to the appropriate team, so that you can ask or clear your doubts. If you're going to be an investor, you have the right to attend their annual report or yearly announcements, or any companies publishing stuffs, financial publishments. So you can get involved into this company's meetings, and you can have more information about it. So these are the financial aspects, but if we see technically, let's verify or check the VIX on TradingView platform. One of the interesting information that I was able to figure out over here is the RSI indicator. If you can see this particular place, it shows the stock is however the VIX is going low, it is going to low lows. If you can see at the bottom, RSI basically shows the volume of traded the traded volume. So if you can see, even though we are getting lower lows, the volume of shares that is being traded, it is getting high. So what we can expect here, so what this particular situation denotes is, we can expect this particular zone to be a strong support in a monthly wise time frame. So you can able to acquire your stocks at this particular range. This could be a proper place to buy this particular stock. So in an average of 19 rupees, you can get into the market. Because why I am saying this is because if you take a closer range over here, the next line, Okay, so this particular wick just ends in 2 or 3 days. So you can wait for this wick to close, and if this particular wick closes below this range, I mean, like when we get into the macro picture, I will show you. Before that, let's mark Fibonacci levels so that we'll have the levels where we can able to get into. Okay, let's get into weekly time frame. The first one was monthly time frame. Okay, this particular level acts as a support. If you can see 0.76786, which is 20.7 rupees. So guys, let's get back to the monthly time frame just in case to make sure. I just wanted to say something because um, these two particular wicks are in the crucial zone. So if you can see, the sellers play vital role over here. Like there are more sellers over here when we compare to this particular range. Uh, so that is the same RSI indicator denotes over here. So what we can expect, this wick looks more stronger, which means that there are more sellers. So what we can expect on the future months is there will be a consolidation happening over here, and then the stock rises to a certain level. So if you can see on March 2020, when there was a crisis hit, I mean the COVID-19 hit, the stock fell down, and then it regained its positions because of the Reliance Industries, which bought more percentage of shares in this company. So guys, let's mark one more position or one more level on the weekly time frame, which is the resistance region. So let's try to figure it out. Let's not force ourselves to draw any regions. However, we have to make some markings so that it would help us actually. So if you can see, this particular level can act as a resistance region, and we can expect the stock move at this particular level, at this particular region, I mean. Oops. Okay, I'm just trying this tool for the first time, so we can expect an event taking place over here. So it can be either bearish or bullish. So guys, I wanted to share this particular analysis on this video. So if you like my video, please hit subscribe on the channel so that it really keeps me motivated to post more videos on the channel. And if you have any questions, please leave it on the comment section. Let's discuss it on the future videos or upcoming comments. And please leave a thumbs up on the video, and also please make sure to subscribe my channel, because on the future days I'm planning to initiate a new series with a list of books and its advices. So this particular series will consist of the context uh, and these uh, and the procedures or processes which has been explained in a particular book. There are multiple types of investing that can be done in stock markets. So I wanted to post new series and new things on my channel. So I would really appreciate if you can hit on the subscribe button. This really motivates me to add more content. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.